First grade, I hope you guys are finding things to do on this very rainy Wednesday afternoon. So up next, you're going to need your paper and your pencil, and we're going to go ahead, I'm going to say the problem, and we're going to review some different strategies on how you can solve. It's really just what works best in your brain. So your first problem to write down is 43 plus 21. So I was thinking, let me get a pencil here. Oh, those are all broken. Okay, well, I guess I'll just use a pen. But anyway, so let's go ahead and review the number bond strategy. So out of 43 or 21, it really doesn't matter which number you break down. Whatever one you want to. I'm going to go ahead and break down 43 just for the sake of that. So remember, you're going to draw your little brackets in 40 and 3. And so then you can write it as 40 plus 21, and then that equals, so you have to ask yourself 40 plus 20, and that's 60, and plus 1 is 61. And now remember, you have to bring back the ones from the 43, so then your next one will say 61 plus 3, and then you ask yourself 1 plus 3 is 4, and then add it on to 60, and that is 64. Okay, so then your problem should look something like that. Okay, now let's go. Your next problem is 52 plus 48. So I want to show you guys something. If you wanted to, you could break down both numbers. And you could do your split. So 50 would be 50 and 2, breaking it into tens and ones really. And then 48 could be 40 and 8. And if you wanted to, you could add up all your tens first. So you could do 50 plus 40 and ask yourself 50 plus 40, and that's 90. And then you would add up your ones, and that's 2 plus 8, which we know is another 10. And then you would take the two answers from those two problems. You would do 90 plus 10, and that equals 100. So then your problem could look something in the form of that. Okay, and then next let's go ahead and do quick tens. So 42 plus 41, that's your next problem. So for 42, you're going to do a quick 4, and then 2 little circles. And then actually underneath it, for 41, do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1. So your drawing can look something like that, to that effect. So then you see that you have 4 tens plus 4 tens, and that's 8 tens. And then your ones, you have 2 ones plus 1 1, and that's 3 ones. And then you can write your problem vertically, 42 plus 41. So then you can get something that looks like that. And remember, if you guys need to, if I'm going too fast, you can always hit the pause button and then unpause to jump back in. All right, so your last problem, you guys, is 75 plus 14. So then for 75, remember, you're going to do 7 quick lines, sorry, not dots, for the tens. And then 5 circles for the ones. And then for 14, that's just 1. And then 4 circles. Okay, so then you're going to count up all your tens first, and you see that 7 tens plus 1 10 is 8 tens. And then 5 ones plus 4 ones is 9 ones. And then remember, you're going to write it vertically, like so stacked on top of each other. So 75 plus 14. And then your problem should look something like that. You want to make sure you stack your tens and ones on top of each other. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in terms of review for today. I will see you guys next week. Bye.